Om Namo Venkateshaya. This video is for the subscribers who are asking about January month darshan ticket release date, accommodation details, Vaikunta Ekadasi festival special details. Suprabhata Seva and Tomala Seva are going to resume back soon. So those informations and many other updates regarding Tirupati in English. In January month, the normal days, that is the dates which are in red color, they may start booking from December 20 to 25, any date. For the special days, that is the dates which are in blue color in January month, they may start booking 2 days before only the special date. For example, January 1 and 2 are in blue color, they may start booking on December 30th. For dates from January 11th to January 22 and on January 26th, they may start booking on January 8th or 9th. Regarding accommodation for January month, TTD has already officially announced that for the date from January 11th to 14th, there will be no online accommodation booking. They cancelled that. So if you want to take rooms in those days, we need to go in person to Tirumala CRO main office and can take the room. They will allot us on first come, first serve basis. Rest of the days in January month, they will open online accommodation after issuing the darshan ticket. It may be around on December 25th or 26th. For down Tirupati, generally they are opening the month end only, so we can expect on December 31st. Vaikunta Ekadashi and Uttar Dwara Darshan, that is Vaikunta Dwara Darshan, is on January 13th, 2022 in all temples and also at Tirupati. Only at Srirangam, Trichy, they celebrated today as Vaikunta Ekadasi. That is in Kartika Suklabaksha Ekadasi. Vaikunta Dwaram will be open at 3 a.m. on January 13th for 10 continuous days, and it ends on, that is they close it on 11:59 p.m. on January 22. So same like last year, in any of these 10 days we can have that Dwara Darshan. Inside the Tirumala temple, this Vaikunta Dwaram is in the right side of the main guard. That is, after completing the darshan of the main guard in Bangaru Vakli, we used to come out immediately right side. This Vaikunta Dwaram will be there. Whole year they will keep closed only on this Vaikunta Ekadashi, and next day Dwadasi they will open. From last year and this year also they are opening for 10 days so that many devotees should get that Vaikunta Dwara Darshan. Dwaram is entrance, that is door. Vaikuntam is heaven. So there is a belief that in this Vaikunta Ekadasi day, if we walk through, that is if we pass through this Vaikunta Dwaram passage, it will take us to reach Vishnu's feet after our life. Among 24 Ekadasis in a year, this Vaikunta Ekadasi is considered as so divine. They will issue all tickets, that is Savadarshan tickets, special Darshan ticket, and those who have booked Seva tickets, for them also they will open the darshan tickets on this Vaikunta Ekadashi day. So please try to book. I will also upload all the possible ways to get the tickets. At Tirupati, they are celebrating this Vaikunta Ekadashi from January 2 to January 26. They recite Nalayira Divya Prabandham, that is a collection of hymns sung by Alvas about Lord Vishnu. From 11 days before the Vaikunta Ekadashi, they recite it in daytime. After Vaikunta Ekadashi, 10 days they recite it in night time. So after that also they have some rituals for Sri Ramanujar, Varahaswami, and this Vaikunta Ekadasi ends on January 26th. They are going to fix geysers, that is water heater, for even 50 rupees and 100 rupees room also at Tirumala. They are planning to construct a new third Ghat roads near Annamaya footpath. They are going to issue Sri Venkateshwara Namakodi book for the devotees who are coming for darshan, and at Akashaganga Anjana Devi temple and the Natanirajana Mandapam, which is in front of the main shrine, they are going to develop the premises. Sri Varimetu and the Apgard end part of the roads are under renovation. They are going to buy automatic coin counting machine and packing machine for Parakramani Seva. From January month onwards, based on the COVID situation, they may increase the number of issuing darshan tickets. And we all are waiting for Suprabhata Seva and Tomala Seva, which was stopped because of this COVID. They are going to start it again on January month onwards, because in this Seva only we can see the God very closely. Initially they are giving minimum tickets only. Earlier they used to give through lucky dip. So once they announced update regarding this I will share with you. So these are the main decisions taken by TTD in their board meetings, and everything is normal at Tirumala. Only Srivari Metu is closed. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and press the bell button. I am sharing all the information regarding Tirupati every day instantly, so it will reach you through notifications, and this video will be useful to all other devotees also, so please share. Thank you.